So, how to make money off cryptocurrency. I'm going to share 5 ways that you can start earning today, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you 2 bonus ways that you can make money if you're lazy. Now, before I go ahead and do this, if you are new to the channel, I recommend hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Now, I'm not going to go too in depth with these ways that you can start earning money. I'm going to do other videos on these further down the line. Now, the first one is investing. Most people we know invest in the crypto market, but they have no idea what they're doing, and they don't actually know what to look out for. But essentially, we go through, build out a portfolio. Ideally, we want Bitcoin and Ethereum in that portfolio, and then we find other coins. Now, today is the perfect example where you can find some bargains because the whole market has pulled back a little bit. As you can see, Cardano dropped a little bit, down nearly 5% since yesterday to 34 cents. But as you can see, there is some good buying opportunities. What's that? Dash dropped down a little bit. Only 0.62% since yesterday. But as you can see, VeChain down 10%. Possibly a good buying opportunity. See, with me, I don't do much technical analysis. I do know some, not a lot. You know, I know support lines, resistance lines. I know a few patterns. But I mainly do common sense investing. Now, if you want to know more about this, then please leave a comment down below letting me know. So the second one still falls under investing, but it's investing in ICOs. Now, at the minute, there's not very many good ICOs coming out. There's still a few golden gems out there, but you really have to dig deep to find them. Now, if you want to find out more about how to invest in ICOs, also leave a comment down below for that. But as you can see, when I try and find ICOs, I use ICO drops, and I have a few other websites that I currently use as well. As you can see, they're all here in a bookmark. Now, with these 2 ways of making money, that's investing in the crypto market and in ICOs, these are a little bit more long term, because especially ICOs, most of them you have to wait at least 3 months before you can sell your coins and get your return. Now, the third way is mining. Mining cryptocurrency, mining Bitcoin, just mining in general. Now, I'm not too sure if mining is actually profitable at the minute. This is why I'm going to do some videos about this in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that. But at the minute, I currently use a few different cloud mining platforms. I use Hashflare, Hashin24 and Genesis Mining. With these 3 cloud mining platforms, I currently have 110 terahash, I think. I have 70 terahash with Hashflare. See, the thing is with Hashflare, their contracts are only a year long, but with Genesis Mining, the contracts are open-ended. So that means they never stop until they're not profitable anymore. And then with Hashin24, I believe their contracts are now 3 years. But anyway, as you can see, I have 70 terahash over on here. Currently earns me about $39 a day. It is actually lower than that because of the maintenance fee that Hashflare actually takes. But now with this money, this Bitcoin that I mine, this mainly goes back into the crypto market. See, all the Bitcoin and crypto that I earn, I always have it go out and make me more money. So I have this make me money in here, my Bitcoin, and then I have this Bitcoin go over to the crypto market where I invest, and then that goes up, and then I take some of that Bitcoin and then I put it into the next one, which I'm about to talk about, which is masternodes. Now, masternodes are very similar to mining, but the upside? I can't even talk again today. But the upside of masternodes is that you don't lose any money. Now, if you were to buy a masternode, let's just change this for a minute. Let that load up. Let's just use Dash as an example. Dash was the first ever coin to have a masternode. Do that again. where is it? No, I want to go to volume. So, for example, let's say you've brought 1,000 dash for a masternode. Yes, it's 500,000 nearly to make one, but don't worry about that. Now, all you're essentially doing is locking up those 1,000 coins. So, say you've locked them up into a masternode and you're earning dash every single day. At any point you want, you can stop the masternode, take that 1,000 coins out and go and sell them. But when it comes to cloud mining, you have to buy the contracts and you don't get that Bitcoin back, only through mining. You can't take out your seed money. And that's why I'm liking masternodes at the minute, because it's less risky. Because say you've got your masternode, you've been earning for a few months, you don't really want it anymore, you can just stop it, pardon me, go and sell all your coins and get your money back. So that is a really good one. I really like masternodes. I do plan on doing even more videos about masternodes in the future or in the next couple of weeks. Now, the last one is trading. Now, I don't suggest going and day trading because that will give you a headache unless you've got the patience to learn. But instead, I suggest doing swing trading. Now, again, I am going to do videos about swing trading further down the line. Now, again, when it comes to swing trading, I don't really do much technical analysis. I just look out for support and resistance lines, put in a few buy orders, hold it for a few weeks until the coin goes back up, sell, and then that's it. I've made my profit through swing trading. Swing trading is really easy to do, and you don't really need to know a lot of technical analysis. It's even easier to do when we're in a bull market. Now, this is Coinigy. If you don't know what Coinigy is, it is a trading platform where you can plug all the exchanges you use into Coinigy. Blah, blah, blah. Can't even talk. Into Coinigy. So, like Bittrex, Poloniex, all these exchanges, you can take the APIs, plug it into Coinigy, and then trade all through Coinigy without having to go to all these different exchanges. So it makes things a hell of a lot easier, and it's relatively cheap to do. So that's my 5 ways to make money off cryptocurrency. If you know of any others, then please leave a comment down below. Now, let me get into the 2 bonus ones. The first one comes down to investing. Now, if you're lazy and you don't want to go through all these different coins, and do all the research yourself, then you can use CoinCube. Let's just go to front page. No, hold on. So CoinCube, hold on, let me just close these tabs. Close that one, close that one, close that one, and close that one. Now, CoinCube is an index-based crypto investing platform. So you pick the coins, they make the trades, and you can always control your funds. Now, what this essentially is a trading bot, but they build out a portfolio for you. So again, all you do is take the APIs from your exchange, plug it into CoinCube, make sure you've got funds on that exchange, and then they will do the trading. The bot will do the trading for you to build out a portfolio. Now, they can't take out any money. Your funds are safe, so don't worry about that. But if we go down here, you have all these different index funds that you can choose to invest in. So it takes a lot of the research out of it and makes investing a hell of a lot more easier if you're new to the game. Now, I'll leave a link to this down below in the comments, in the description, so go through and check it out. And then the next one, so this is for building out a portfolio, and then the next one, where is it, is Profit Trailer. Now, I haven't actually got Profit Trailer at the minute. All I've heard is things about it. Again, this is a trading bot, but it day trades for you. You have to set up your APIs, you have to set everything up first, which is a bit of a hassle, but once it's all set up, this thing trades for you 24/7, bringing in you profit every single day. Now, if you YouTube Profit Trailer, then you will find a lot of videos, a lot of tutorials, and everything you need to know about it. But I suppose I can't highly recommend it because I haven't tried it yet. I do plan on using it, and when I do, I will make more videos about it further down the line. But again, I'll leave a link to this in the description below, so go through and check this out as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.